name is Astro Ashikar. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be trying to solve my Rubik's Cube as fast as possible. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first of all, as you see, I have practiced my second layer. So let me just scramble a bit up. So as you guys can see, I'm just working on scrambling it. I think that's good enough. So you guys can take a good look at the cube. Okay, shall we start? Okay, let's start solving the cube in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, now we'll do this. We're working on it. Okay, now we got this. Finish that. Done with the first layer, now we're starting the second layer. Done with the second layer, now we start with the top, which is yellow. Now we do this. Then you2 R prime, you R prime you2 R prime, you R prime you2 R prime. And yep, that is all I know to do because I forgot the algorithm right now. So this is how much I know. So I do the orange side, I do the bottom, I do the top. So I just have to learn to do the last layer. So this is the progress I've made in my Rubik's Cube in the past year, guys. So you guys have to tell me that have I improved or not in the comment section. Thank you so much. This was my cubing video. Astro Ashikar signing out. Bye bye.